Hello, we are solving JAN 2022 paper question number 2, part F. Calculate at 30th September 2021 the cash balance and the bank balance. Okay, so for this, the additional information is given here in part 5. The balances in the books, okay, on 1st October 2020 is like this for the cash and bank. So let's prepare here. So it was 230 debit. It was 960 debit. Okay, for both of them it was debit. Then it says that the annual summary on 1st October to 30th September is given for 2021. It says that the cash was, okay, receipts were 4,200 and payments were this much. So what came into the bank? 4,200 and bank 35,750 came in. So let's write the receipts, okay, that came into the bank. So the receipts that came into the bank were 4,200. It was came into the business, and this one is 35, okay, 35,750. So in the bank you should remember this is an in account, okay. On the debit side it is an in account, and for the credit side it is an out account. Okay, money came into the business and this is going out of the business. Then the payments made were 2,530 in cash, 2,530 and 36,600 in check. So 36,600. Then you can see that in addition to cash receipt of 1,750 in cash was banked during the year. So cash banked. So cash banked. So it says that in addition to the cash receipt, 1,750 in cash, it is going to be banked during the year. So what does this mean? This cash is going to be sent into the bank. Okay. So it's going to go from, it is going to go from here. Okay, it has to leave the business. Okay, it has to leave the business 1,750 cash, right? So 1,750 cash is going to leave out of the business, but it has to be deposited into the bank account, okay, of this business. So you will write 1,750 bank here. So that is called as cash banked. Okay. So here you will also call it as cash banked. And then you have 300 received and the bank was later dishonored, means it is dishonored check. It has to be subtracted, okay, from the check that came inside the business. Okay, here whatever came, it has got dishonored by amount 300 check. So we will put 300 check. Okay, now let's balance it out. Let's add up the total here. 4,200 plus 230, it is 4,430. 4,430. So now the total has to be the same on this side also, 4,430. Okay, 4,430 minus 2,530 minus 1,750. So that is going to get me the balance of cash on this side. It's going to be equal to 150. Okay. 150. Now, okay, 150. Now for the check. Now for the bank we will calculate. So it is equal to 960 plus 35,750 plus 1,750. It is 38,460. So 38,460. So now 38,460, okay, has to be the same on both the sides. Now let's calculate the balance for the side, it is 1560. Now the balance will be the same, okay, balance will be the same on this side, so it will be 150 and 1560.